Saturday night or Saturday evening, and you know tomorrow you want hollandaise for breakfast, but you're not going to be like super in the zone to deal with that. So you're going to do something very simple. You're going to make a pre-batch. Egg yolks, 4 egg yolks, mustard, and a little bit of lemon or vinegar. I use white vinegar, but you can use lemon, any acid, and a blender. You can use like a hand blender, or you can use a Vitamix or whatever you have. This is meant to be like no-brainer hollandaise. My butter is hot. Everyone separates it. They like remove the milk solids. It's not my jam. All I want to do is use the entire half pound of butter, because what you're gonna do is jam this in the blender. I use grainy mustard because that's what I had. I'm all about using whatever's in the fridge. Now it's in here. Butter is hot. Turn that off. Butter is nice and hot. The reason they separate the milk solids from the fat, because the milk fat is what makes it really thick. I want my hollandaise to be like kind of middle range. So I keep it in. Turn this guy on to low to start. Okay. So it's all blending, looking pretty good. I'm going to increase the speed. You want the egg yolks to be fluffy and light, because that makes it like more frothy. And then you got your hot pot of butter. Basically, this is just hot mayonnaise. So slowly add it in. If you add it too fast, it'll split. Nice and slow, girl. Oh, that was a chunk of milk solid. And it's actually kind of cool because you'll hear it get thick. There it goes. All right. She's spraying. Turn it off. So you saw the egg yolks went from dark to light because the butter's been incorporated now. And this is awesome because you can like put this lid back on and stash it next to your stove until you're ready to make breakfast. This is a really quick way. Probably most professional chefs would give me shit about this, but I think it's great. Yeah. Hollandaise.